to the races. Bumper cars, maybe. Dueling lawnmowers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, race fans of all ages. We haven't had a showdown like this since Lee at Manassas. They're the same speed. At the Bellegarde International Raceway. Oh! Oh, Mama's winning! What do you think, spectators? Was that race worth $50 you paid to come and see it?
$60.
Family race day. Here comes Sophia! Look at her go! Woo!
On your mark!
Woo! Sounds like there's a hot cam in that one. Maneuvering around the pylons. Can't hit any of the pylons because that's time off. And the loser has to clean the other's litter box. Oh, ran over one. That's 10 seconds off. Oh, possibly went around the circle the wrong way, but that's all right. Only ran over 18 pylons so far. Look at that speed demon go. Woo! Accuracy is the name of the game here, folks. Setting a fast pace. Set. Oh, 45 seconds. Okay, here comes heat number 2. Maybe you want to get a little closer to this. Amanda set a blistering pace. You're not cheating, are you? Didn't lower your weight by emptying some of the fuel out or something? Oh. Full throttle. Ready, set, go! Oh! How many pylons so far? Oh, don't turn the PTO on. Dog's almost getting run over. Cats are getting splattered. Whoa! Wide turn there. Oh, she went around the circle the other way. This could be a disaster. Oh, she's doing pretty good. Oh, hit that pylon. That's 10 seconds off. Spinning. I don't know if that's allowed. There she goes. There she goes around. Oh, almost hit that one. Yeah, done deal.
Go. Go. 1A. Stay in the pylon, Sophia. It's okay, just go. Go, go, go! Happy dog! Happy dog! What? Oh. Go! sun setting over our obstacle course from the lawnmower race. I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. That was a lot of fun. The lawnmowers seem to go about the same speed, but I think it's pretty clear that I kicked Amanda's ass. Old and worn out, took the day. Pretty clear, right? Yes, I think so. Thanks also to everybody who has subscribed and helped me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Means a lot. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. Have a great evening.